Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me quickly show you Asian style of making chicken vegetable sauce. Very delicious and easy to make. Just continue watching. Let's go. In a pan, go in with your olive oil. Next is the chicken. Make sure to cut them into bite sizes. Pour that in. Next is a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of your oyster sauce, 2 tablespoonfuls of your soy sauce. Go in with some salt. Give it a nice stir and allow to fry to perfection. You are free to marinate with the ingredients for minutes or hours before frying. Now checking back, and at this point our chicken is ready. Look at how golden it is looking. Just fry to your taste, okay? Now let's introduce other ingredients. Go in with your diced onions and your carrot, okay? Pour that in and go in with a teaspoon of your dry thyme. Afterwards, you give it a nice stir. So we went in with the carrot early because we wanted it to soften a bit, okay? It is hard to compare to other veggies. Now, after frying for a minute, introduce half teaspoon of your ginger garlic paste or powder, half teaspoon of your curry powder, and hot chili just to give it some hotness. You can use scotch bonnet, long green pepper, or black pepper, whichever one you prefer and to your taste, okay? Now let's introduce the rest of the vegetables. Here we'll have chopped green red bell peppers and onions. Pour that in and give it a nice stir. Please before now make sure your slurry is ready. It's basically the mixture of water, soy sauce and cornstarch. It will help thicken the sauce, so do not skip it for anything. So pour that in and give it a nice stir. We are going to test it before doing any adjustment, okay? Now, let's adjust with some seasoning and some salt. You are free to skip the seasoning if you want, but make sure to salt to taste, okay? Please know that you can use more veggies or your preferred veggies. Now, give it a nice stir and allow it to simmer for just a minute. Hi, to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops and snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of us. I promise you're not going to regret it. Alright guys, we just added some parsley. You can use your spring onions, okay? And that's it. Our sauce is ready. Just take it off the heat. You don't have to cook it for a long time. These are all veggies, okay? Alright, and there you have it. Our delicious mouth-watering chicken vegetable sauce is set. Please give it a go and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. And we went ahead to pair it with some delicious yellow rice. It goes well with different things, your potatoes, yam, plantain. You can even enjoy it without pairing it with anything. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Bye.